Hello, and welcome back to Folk and Lindy. Today, what we've found is a lone Eshay, separated from the scooter, restless, afraid, and alone. We follow his many trials and tribulations in this hostile land. Enjoy. This Eshay hasn't seen food or marijuana in days. You reckon I can smoke this? He cannot survive without either. He searches for Powerade, and eventually he finds his bounty. The Eshay approaches his natural enemy, his arch rival in the wild, the turbochook. He approaches him with furious anger in his saddle. He asks him, "Give me your hands!" He means, "Would you please be able to give me a e-cigarette, kind of sir?"
What does it do? What does it do?
Hey, steal something. Hey, how's it going, mate? I'm different guy. You got a raz? Can I just get a little interview? What's that? Interview? This is yours. Oh my God. Oh my holy Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I've never seen such an inordinate sum of money in my life. I'll do whatever you want. I'll fucking suck you off, gun. Welcome. Just gonna ask you a few questions. The family back home. It was about 6 months ago that my big brother, my mentor, Dazza, he passed. It's been a tough time for me. He was the only family I had. I got a tattoo to commemorate his memory. If you see here, it says R. Anyway, rest in peace. I think that's his name. Don't know how to spell it. That's some hieroglyphics or something, I don't know. He died in a very unfortunate circumstance. He was attempting the 7 in 7 in 7 in 7 challenge. That is 7 bongs worth of bong water, 7 vodka cruises, 7 blunts, and 7 hits on his raz. He didn't finish. All he had left was 1 single hit on the raz. But he couldn't make it. There's many good memories of Darren. Dazza. I think I'm done with that.